Oh man, I am so excited. I saved up for so long and I'm finally building the PC of my dreams. Okay, I never built a PC before. Wait, I never built a PC before. What if I bent the pins? What if I break something? What even are all these cables? Does this plug go this way or that way? What if it doesn't post? What if...
There's no need to panic. If you build at Microcenter with our Build and Learn service, you won't be building alone because you can work with one of our expert technicians at the Knowledge Bar to build with you. You could put the CPU down now. Building your first PC is exciting and a little intimidating. There are lots of parts, a lot of steps, and a lot of places where first-time builders worry that they might mess up. That's exactly why we created Build and Learn. It's a hands-on, shoulder-to-shoulder experience where you build the PC, but with a knowledgeable technician right there to guide you. They can answer any questions and they can help you as much or as little as you want. Some customers want to do the entire build themselves, just with a little bit of gentle coaching. Others, well, maybe they want to watch and learn while the technician assembles the system. And many, well, you're going to fall right in between. Build and Learn is designed to meet you at your experience level. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who just wants professional reassurance as you build your system. When your Build and Learn session begins, you'll meet your technician and you'll get a friendly overview of what to expect over the next couple of hours. You can ask any questions at any time. This is really a teaching experience that is built around your comfort and your curiosity. From there, you'll go through a component review together. You'll look at every single part that you chose: the CPU, GPU, motherboard, RAM, power supply, cooler, and more. And your technician will make sure that everything is compatible. They'll explain what each component does, how it fits into the system, and what kind of performance you can expect. Then comes the pre-assembly education, where you'll learn how to safely install components like the CPU, the RAM, and the storage. You'll get to see and touch the parts up close while your technician explains them in plain, very easy to understand language. That moment where you were worried about bending CPU pins, well, we'll walk you through it safely and confidently. Next, there's the case preparation and system assembly. You and your technician will mount the power supply, you can place in the motherboard, install the cooling, route the cables, and build out the full system together. You'll learn cable management techniques, best practices, and you'll know how everything fits neatly and securely inside the case. And you'll be learning from the best. Now, after the build, your technician will handle operating system installation, they'll update the drivers, and they'll walk you through basic BIOS settings so that you can understand how your system boots and operates. Once everything is installed, the PC will go through a quality check and stability test using OCCT. While that runs, you'll have time to ask more questions, learn about the maintenance, and get advice on future upgrades. The full Build and Learn experience usually lasts around 2 hours, plus about 30 minutes for the stress test. When everything is complete, your system will be neatly boxed and ready to take home, along with all of your paperwork, any tips that you learned, as well as the confidence of knowing exactly how your computer came together. And best of all, this is your build. You are involved every single step of the way. Whether this is your first PC or you're leveling up your skills, Microcenter's Build and Learn service is the perfect way to get hands-on experience with expert support right beside you. No panic, no uncertainty, just you, your dream PC, and a friendly technician helping bring it to life. And when you do a Build and Learn service, you also receive a free iFixit Narwhal screwdriver, which you can use for your build and you can take home with you. Stop into your local Microcenter and schedule your Build and Learn session today. And if you don't have a Microcenter near you, well, be sure to comment #IWantAMicrocenter near me.